Hello, I just wanted to record a brief visualization for you to connect with your sensual energy today. It's Beltane. It's a great day for connecting to the fertility of the earth and connecting to that new, alive, fiery energy of summer. And you can do this anywhere you want. You could do it outside, in the comfort of your home, wherever you'd like. So, to begin, just settle into your body. And I want you to close your eyes and imagine somewhere beautiful in nature. Your favorite realm of nature. And as you're imagining your favorite place, or maybe even a place that you've never been, paint the picture with as much detail as possible. Take your time to imagine where you are, if there's water, if it's sunny, if you're laying on a rock, if you can hear birds, if it's tropical. Really take your time to imagine exactly where you want to be. And you're taking your time to find this place in your body. Imagine that it is a part of your body and all around you at the same time. And now you can imagine if you are alone or if someone is with you. Start imagining if you are naked or if you have certain clothes on that make you feel good. Imagine what the air smells like, if there's a breeze. And now I want you to bring in your sensuality. Imagine you're having a sexual experience in this beautiful place of nature. And this experience can be whatever you want it. It can be with yourself, just touching yourself all over your body, basking in the sun, or maybe someone's there with you and you're having transcendent, amazing, juicy sex. It can be anything that you can imagine yourself. This visualization is for you, about you. So it can be as juicy and divine as you want it to be. And you can take your time to imagine all the details. As you're imagining yourself in your sensual, divine energy, having passionate, beautiful sex, or being with yourself and touching yourself, or maybe just lying still, feeling the earth supporting you. Maybe that is your sexual, beautiful fantasy with nature. Maybe it's just feeling supported by the earth. And take your time to imagine exactly what it is for you. And once you are in it, go a little deeper. Try connecting to the earth. Imagine the water flowing. Imagine the hot sun. Imagine the air. Imagine the grass. Imagine yourself connecting to all of the elements. And you can imagine that your heart and your womb and your whole body is connecting deep to the earth's core and up high all the way into the universe. Again, remember, this is your imagination. This is your visualization. You could be doing anything. It doesn't have to be logical. Feel your heart expanding. Feel your sacral chakra. Feel your pelvic floor. Feel your ass. And continue as long as you like with your beautiful visualization. make sure to end it so that there's an end to the cycle. Finish it exactly how you'd like to finish. Maybe you have an amazing orgasm. Maybe you and your partner have an orgasm together. Again, whoever's in this visualization could be a stranger, could be anyone you want. So pick an ending and then end your fantasy. Stay here as long as you'd like. All right, thank you.